I spent quite a bit of time today making lamb stock and also rendering down some lamb fat that we've got, and tonight we're actually going to have a veggie meal, and we're going to use some of these beans here. These are climbing beans to make veggie burgers. Now these beans we grew a couple of years ago, but they've actually been sitting in our freezer for the past 2 years waiting to be used up, so tonight they'll be used for veggie burgers. So beans into a pan, cover them over with water, apply heat and bring them to the boil. When the beans have come up to the boil, simmer them until they've softened right through. While we're waiting for the beans to finish simmering, we'll have a quick look at the main ingredients. So a couple of handfuls of breadcrumbs, and all chopped ready. We have mushrooms, about 4 large mushrooms, 1 chopped onion and 4 chilies, which we grew in our greenhouse last year. They've been in the freezer ever since. Next, it's a sprinkling of paprika, a sprinkling of cayenne pepper, sprinkling of black pepper, and a slug of oil to help bind it together and keep it moist. The beans have now softened through, so we'll just give them a good mash up before we add them to the other ingredients. And then it's a case of simply mixing all of this together. There is the mixture all made up, and this is the point where you can work out whether it's gone horribly wrong or not. And what I tend to do is make mini versions of them, and it's holding together, which is a good sign. And we'll also fry up a couple of these just to test out the taste as well. These are now ready. Moment of truth time. Oh, fine. We were going to sit out in the garden tonight and have our burgers there, but it's just started raining. But we can't complain because we've had very little rain recently and the garden desperately needs it.